Oh my God! Oh, that's so good! Oh my God! You kids are so fantastic!
It smells nice.
Yeah.
Oh, that is so cute!
Put on the hat.
Yeah. My hair's a mess because
I don't know.
way.
I think she
So we
sees
can see the princess.
She hasn't seen it yet.
oh gosh. Oh, thanks everybody. Thank you. Oh.
Okay, sit down.
Sit down.
Okay. Whoops.
That was
I got exit. This is the best.
Here, Mom. Here. There.
And then pull it on.
And then you pull it on. Yeah.
Get my ears under it. Big fat ears. Mom.
Like a queen.
So how does it feel?
Right now?
Oh, it feels good.
No, we're talking about
What you're sitting on.
Oh, I kind of wondered, what the heck?
we buy you a new
It's a new chair. That's the best. That's better.
Oh my God!
That's better.
Sit back. Oh my God!
You can lean back. And it's got, hold on, and then you should be able to get in and out okay. You make
Oh
sure you
God,
can stand
yes.
up.
Oh.
You're like on shooting notice. I just saw the hat. And you sat down and still didn't
Who
notice.
did this? Oh,
That's why we keep leaving. We keep driving off and doing things.
very good.
I mean, not just today.
Earlier.
The
Oh, I
last
see.
couple days.
We've been doing it for several days. You can sit down, Mom. Here, sit down,
You
Mom.
gotta try it out.
There you go.
Oh my.
There, just relax.
Remember she said today you needed a taller chair?
I need somebody to come over and take the. I thought, oh.
Come on.